internet friends, and welcome back to my channel. I know I never post. That's fine. Happy almost Halloween. It's Wednesday, my dudes, and Halloween is tomorrow. You're so sweet. So I'm gonna do something like Halloween-y. I have this idea in my head. I have this dress that I just got as a hand-me-down, and it looks like 60s, maybe prom girl kind of type vibes, and like big puffy sleeves, whatever era that is. And I wanted to maybe do something like, I don't know, bloody prom girl, dead prom girl, something like that. So I don't even like have a plan. I have no idea what I'm gonna like do for real. Like I think I'm gonna do like half and half, like normal makeup and then like scary makeup. I don't know. I'm gonna be using liquid latex. I can't ever remember using it before. This might be my first time. I don't know, I think. So happy to share this moment with you. I'm also like not gonna walk you through the products that I'm using this time, because like I'm using the same products that I always use. Just go back to my earlier videos and look if you really care. I shop at the drugstore for my makeup, so whatever you can find there is what I have, unless some of the stuff I got for like gifts, but other than that, okay. All right, let's get started. Cool. Oh, rats. Oh, I forgot something, hold on. Okay, so I guess the plan is half and half. So I guess I'm gonna draw this line unconfidently. Is that a word? Not confidently. I don't like that. That's better. Also, I'm not wearing any makeup right now. I have literally nothing on my face. So I'm starting with nothing. So I guess, wait, I'm gonna do my mouth, so I need this line to go out even more. I'll get my shit together in a second, guys, hold on. Okay, all right, this is the final situation. I'm gonna use this white cream makeup. I'm gonna show you the products that I don't normally use, by the way. Okay, I'm just gonna put this on my lips because I'm going to be making teeth out of my lips. Together my normal foundation with the white stuff that I used for my new teeth. So as it turns out, this white face paint is old and dried out, so it went on like this. But actually that's okay because I'm gonna make it work and I'm gonna fix it and everything is going to be fine. Okay? So now I'm gonna apply the liquid latex. I've already gotten makeup in my hair, it's fine. Ah, okay. Well, that was fucking difficult and that was really hard and maybe I should have fucking watched somebody do this before I fucking did this. But it's fine, everything's fine. I'm not done yet, but I've made a mess and it's fine. Every little fucking thing is fine. Fuck my life up. It's on my nose ring. I'm gonna have to throw so much stuff away. It's just everywhere. Okay, it's fine. And how long does this fucking take to dry? Fuck my life up. Hell yeah, motherfucker, hell yeah. Fuck my life up. It's everywhere. It is all over the fucking place. Can you fucking dry? I have shit to do. Get the fuck out of my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna go get some clips. Okay, so here is the situation. I would like to make myself look more dead on this side. So I think I'm gonna add some like bruising around here, some blood. We're just gonna see, while we wait for this to dry, we're just gonna see what we can do about making this look a little bit more dead. Okay, we're going to get some browns and blacks going on up in this bitch. What do you think? How's that? Oh, hell yeah. That's exactly what I'm talking about, bitch. Hell yeah. I wish I had bleached brows for this look. I was gonna do it this morning, but then I, of course, didn't have any bleach. What am I gonna do with my eyebrow then? Should I just make it black? Okay, let's do something with the eyebrow. We are on this journey together at this point. So what I am thinking I am going to do is just make it black, put some blood on it, call it a day, right? Right. I don't like that though. That looks like, maybe it's okay. Maybe I can. I don't know if what I just did made a substantial difference, but it's good, it's fine. Everything's fine! And I have latex everywhere. Is it gonna get everywhere? Am I gonna be able to get it off of everything? Oh no. Okay, so the latex is almost dry. No, it's not yet. I don't wanna touch it yet. It looks not how it does on the internet. Okay, I just put on more so it can take even more endlessly long to dry because I didn't like it before. I think I'm starting to like it now. Okay, my eyes are burning! Okay, now I'm gonna figure something out to make this look regular, okay? I definitely need some like highlighter to put here. Also, I'm gonna get bloody. We're gonna get bloody, bitch. Sorry, I got it in my mouth. Fuck with me, okay? Okay, I'll start up there. Bitch, if you don't get out of my hair! Like dead or something on this side? I hope so. Okay. I have such a mess to clean up now. So I'm not even done yet because I have to get my costume, which I'm going to change into. This is the final look.